What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about my little Sally's unbox. This is my Sally's unboxing, okay? I already unboxed all the products, and if you do not know, Sally's had a sale. They had a sale. It was a one-day sale. They had a one-day sale on their treatments and deep conditioners, and then the next day they had a sale on their shampoos. And since, you know, deep conditioner is what I run out of the most, I decided to take advantage of this sale. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I got things that I already know works on my hair. So my deep conditioners came first. So this is my deep conditioners. And yeah, so let's just get into this video. I hope you guys like it. First of all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And make sure your post notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Hairstyle, okay, update. I did braid my hair. My hair is going to stay like this. Y'all said y'all wanted braids, so I gave y'all braids. So check out that video. That video will be most likely going up first before this one. I'm thinking, I'm not sure, but yeah. So let's just get into this video. So the first thing I got, first of all, I want to say shout out to Sally's because I have free shipping. Free shipping now, and shout out to them because nothing came damaged. They really stepped up their packaging because I remember I did an unboxing on my birthday. It was my birthday, and I did an unboxing from Sally's, and I had some stuff that was like spilled out. You know, nothing was really like sealed, if that makes sense. So yeah, that was unfortunate, but this time around they made sure like they put tape on everything. I took the tape off, but they made sure that the packages, they made sure that the containers were sealed and taped up and things like that. So let's just get right into what I got. So the first thing I got, I rave about this on my channel. This is the True Damage Control Repairing Deep Treatment Mask. When I had color treated hair, this was one of my favorite masks to use. It's super thick. Oh, it's sealed. Well, I don't want to like open it, but it's super thick and it feels like butter going onto your hair. I love this deep conditioner. This is one of my favorite deep conditioners. The smell though is mango, shea, rice water, and guava. Not really a fan of the scents. But that's so weird. I hate the smell of mangoes, but I love like the way mangoes taste. Like I like the fruit mangoes, but anything that has mango in it, it's just like, it just tastes artificial to me, you know what I mean? So yeah, but I love mangoes. So I really don't like the scent of this, but this is a great deep conditioner. When I was color treated, this worked wonders for my hair and kept my hair together. And you can use this on, it's damage control, so it's going to repair and give you that deep treatment mask. And this is for type 3, yeah, type 3 and type 4 hair. I actually have the whole line to this, but I ran out of the deep conditioner, so I don't use the whole line. But this stuff works great. True by Made Beautiful, do not sleep on their deep conditioners. This is one of my favorite deep conditioners. I absolutely love this stuff. And the price, let me see, the price for this was $3.49, so $3.49. That's the price of this because it was on sale, okay? But True by Made Beautiful, they stuff is affordable anyway, like by itself. So let's get into it. And these stuff did come taped. So the next thing is like pretty much an OG. Like I haven't used it since I started my channel because I was, you know, using other stuff. But this is a really good deep conditioner. I used this before I even started my channel. Like right when I went natural, I was using this product and I saw it on sale and I was like, I'ma get it because it did wonders for my hair back then. So I can only imagine. And my job back then, I had no idea what I was doing to my hair. And so now that I actually know how to take care of my hair and, you know, deep conditioning and all that, I know this product is going to do wonders for my hair. So this is the ORS hair mayonnaise. Like, I know some of y'all used to use this back in the day, and I used to use it too. But I love this stuff. I love this stuff. This is hair mayonnaise with nettle leaf and horsetail extract. I've heard great things about. I didn't even know I had this until I read it, actually. But nettle is really, really good for your hair, and horsetail extract, I've heard great things about that. I have this ingredient is in some of my products already. So again, get what you know your hair is going to like. You feel me? So this is a really, really great deep conditioning treatment, and it is 16 ounces, okay? This is a good treatment too, but you get a lot more for your money. You understand? Like, this is what? 8 ounces. This is like the size of the Mielle one. The Mielle Babasu Mint Deep Conditioner. This is that size, okay? You get a lot more for your money. So if you are on a budget and you want something that's gonna last you and you got a lot of hair like I do, this is the way to go. Granted, you really don't need a lot of this because this is a little do go a long way with this. But this is one of my OGs. It's about to become my staple. It just smells like back in the day. I can't even say, it just smells like childhood. Speaking of childhood, they go to ice cream truck. But yeah, this is a great, it reminds me, okay, for my southern people, right? What does this look like? Does this look like the Zax sauce from Zaxby's? Oh wait, no, it's a little lighter because the Zax sauce from Zaxby's is like kind of orange. It's orange, but it reminds me of the Zax sauce from Zaxby's. If you live in the South, then you know what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, California does not have a Zaxby's. They have a knockoff version, and it tastes horrible. It's called, what is it called? It starts with an R. Raising Cane's. Raising Cane's is supposed to be Zaxby's, and it's complete trash. Complete trash. I don't even want to talk about it. I'm so upset. But anyway, yeah, this is the hair mayonnaise. I love this. This is an OG. Y'all have never, I don't believe y'all have ever seen this on my channel because I used to use it like before I even thought about, you know, starting my YouTube channel. I used to use this on my hair. So yeah, this is gonna be, you know, gonna have some memories, reminiscing and stuff. Okay, I actually think this video is gonna be under 20 minutes, and that is crazy. The last product I have is the Jamaican Mango and Lime Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and this is eucalyptus. I have actually loved if you know me, you know I love minty, tingly things on my hair. And my hair loves Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and my hair loves like minty eucalyptus. My hair likes eucalyptus. It likes anything, you know, minty, fresh, and cool on my hair. It just makes me feel like my hair is going to be, you know, fresh. Mint. I don't know. I just feel better when I use something minty on my hair. Does that make sense? Okay. But yeah, this is Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and it has eucalyptus, and it's supposed to moisturize, soothe dry skin, works to improve overall hair health, and great for massages. So I'm definitely going to incorporate this into my regimen. Once a week, I'm going to oil my scalp. Okay? Once a week. My hair does not need... Your scalp does not need to be oiled every single day of the week. It does not. And yeah, I love, these are the type of oils that I get. Typically, I go for the extra dark one because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like the extra dark one just does, I feel like the extra dark one has more nutrients just adds more nutrients to my hair because it's extra dark. I don't know, that's just whatever. But yeah, I have been recommending Jamaican black castor oil. I also use Jamaican black castor oil on my eyebrows and my eyelashes as well. So I had started wearing eyelashes, like lashes, 25 mm lashes, right? And I wasn't taking care of my lashes under, so therefore you know, my lashes fell out. So that's why I switched to the individual lashes, because my lashes was like starting, they was not like, they wasn't it, you feel me? That wasn't it. So I do use Jamaican black castor oil on my eyelashes and my eyebrows. I put it on I'm starting to put it on every day before I go to bed. Just be sure don't get it. I'm not, you know, I ain't getting it in my eye or anything like that, but I just, you know, I have a little spoolie that I use, and so I just dip it in a little bit and just, you know, coat the eyelashes, because if you can see, hold on, they look good, but they could be better, you feel me? So yeah, they could be better. And my eyebrows, I've never really had any eyebrow problems, but I don't want to start having eyebrow problems, so I'm just gonna, you know, go ahead and do my eyebrows as well. And I do want to say it's really, really important how you feel about yourself, because when I was wearing lashes, it kind of affected how I felt about myself, if that makes sense. So I didn't feel pretty unless I had on lashes, you know. And now, so I had to kind of, you know, put the lashes down for a minute. I haven't bought lashes in a minute, but yeah, that's why I went towards the individual ones, because they look more natural, and you know, it looks like my face, you feel me? But yeah, I had a problem. Like, I was like, you not cute without lashes, boo. And now it's like, girl, you don't even need them lashes, boo. You know? So yeah, I feel pretty just like this. I could go out just like this with my braids and, you know, natural face, natural bead, lip gloss on. That's all I have on. I was gonna show y'all anyway. But yeah, so, you know, wearing lashes is cool, but just, you know, don't let it take over how you feel about your overall appearance naturally. Because yeah, like, I don't have no nails on, I don't have no makeup on, all I have on is my skincare stuff, and I feel pretty just like, hair is in braids, like I feel pretty just like this. Like, I could walk out the house and be like, and feel decent, you know. So yeah, back to the hair products though. So this is the last thing. I only got 3 things, because I was like, you know what, you don't need it, Kyla. You don't need it. You don't need 12 things. You don't need 12 deep conditioners, because you already have deep conditioner. But I do run out of deep conditioner a lot, because deep conditioner is something that I take seriously. I take my deep conditioners like seriously. I'm deep conditioning my hair even if I don't feel like deep conditioning my hair. Like, and as you can see, the results bomb, because my hair is growing. But yeah, so are y'all ready for the final reveal? Okay, so let me remove my address. Okay, I don't want y'all to see that. Let me remove anything that is remotely close to being important. Okay, hold on. All right, so I paid, the amount was $12.64. The total. I had free shipping. The tax was, so the subtotal was $11.47, and the tax was $1.17, and the shipping was free shipping, and the total amount was $12.64. So I'm gonna come up to y'all, and I'm going to show you See? $12.64, and I had free shipping. Tax was $117, and the subtotal was $11.47. So the total amount is $12.64. I feel like, I don't know about you, but I feel like I did pretty good, especially when I am trying to become less of a product junkie. And I did really good though, because I only got deep conditioners, like stuff that I know I need. And for me, deep conditioners, they don't deep conditioners, they just don't make my hair feel, it's a deep conditioner, like it can't do any damage. If anything, a deep conditioner cannot do damage. And I got an oil, so like, you know, I did pretty good. I feel like $12.64, that's pretty good for me, because I am trying to become a retired hair junkie. Okay, all right. So yeah, y'all, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you took advantage of the sale. Let me know if you took advantage of the sale. I had some people in my comments, they was like, Sally's having a sale. Did you take advantage? And I'm just like, girl, you know I did. Like, you know me, way. You know I did. I was trying not to, but I couldn't help myself. And, you know, it's something that I actually use, deep conditioners and stuff like that. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. That way you can, you know, keep up with me and be notified on updates and stuff like that. And also make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you turn your post notifications on. What's wrong with me? I'm getting tongue-tied. I don't understand. Make sure your post notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. I don't want y'all missing out on my uploads, because I be coming with it. You feel me? So, yeah, I'm going to keep my hair like this because I think it's cute. No. What are you doing? No, that's not, just leave it over there. But yeah, y'all, and thank you guys so much for all your support and all of your comments and all of your DMs. I really do appreciate y'all. I appreciate every single last one of my subscribers. Even if you here for bad reasons, thank you, because you're literally getting me a coin. Like I tell people all the time, if you don't like me, stop watching me. Like the more you watch me, the more I'm getting paid. So it's funny when people like comment like rude stuff, and it's like, they don't break me. Like do y'all realize this? I don't know, it's just like haters. The second you click on my video, you're giving me what I want, but it's rather here nor there. Anyway, thank you so much for everybody who watches my channel. If you're a hater, if you dislike a video, that's fine. It literally does nothing to my channel. I still get my money, and yeah. Thank you for being so interested. And yeah, so comment down below. Let me know if y'all took advantage of the sale. Did y'all buy more things than me? Okay, I'm starting to have a little bit more self-control. You feel me? Just a little bit more. And yeah, I'm rambling at this point. So I will see y'all in my next one.